Hello, everyone. I am the founder of Success e-learning. Our journey began with a vision to transform education. At Success e-learning, we believe that teachers are the architects of a brighter future. They have the power to shape young minds, inspire creativity, and ignite a lifelong love for learning. And that's what drives us every day, to empower educators with the skills and knowledge they need to be exceptional mentors. We also enable students with soft skills that will not only help in their careers but also in their personal lives. Our student centered approach is the heart of our training programs. We understand that every student is unique with individual dreams and aspirations. And that's why we equip our educators and students with the tools to cater to these diverse needs. Collaboration and innovation are the cornerstones of our academy. We encourage our educators to think outside the box, to embrace change, and continually refine their teaching methodologies. So join us on this incredible journey of transformation. Together, let's inspire minds and change lives.